Children, now let's see some animals and their young ones and their babies. What is the name of the baby of a wild animal? This one, owl. What is its baby's name? Owlet. Owl, owlet. This one, monkey. Baby's name is infant. Baby monkey is called infant. Monkey, infant. This one, deer. This one, fawn. Baby of the deer is called fawn. This one, lion. Its baby is called cub. Lion, cub. This one, elephant. Baby elephant is called calf. Baby elephant is called calf. So, elephant, calf. Let's see some name of the domestic animals and their babies. This one, duck. Baby is called duckling. Duck, duckling. This one, cat. Baby is called kitten. Cat, kitten. This one is dog. Baby is called puppy. Dog, puppy. This one, sheep. Baby is called lamb. Sheep, lamb. This one, donkey. Baby of the donkey is called foal. Donkey, foal. Write W for the young ones of wild animals and D for the young ones of the domestic animals. See this one, this is a infant. Infant monkey. Okay. So, it's a wild animal. So, you should write it as W. This one, see, owlet. Owlet. This one is a wild animal. So, W. This one, calf. Elephant calf. So, this is a wild animal. So, W. This one, kitten. Kitten is a domestic animal. So, D. This one, cub. Lion cub. It's a wild animal. So, W. This one, duckling. Duckling is a domestic animal. So, write it as D. This one, puppy. Puppy is a domestic animal. So, write it as D. This one, foal. Donkey's baby is called foal. So, this is a domestic animal. Write it as D. Do it in your book, children.